Are you aware that this vibrant purple vegetable sitting in your refrigerator could be the key to unlocking extraordinary health benefits after 60? Beetroot has been quietly revolutionizing senior wellness for decades, yet most people overlook its incredible therapeutic potential. This crimson powerhouse contains compounds that can transform your cardiovascular health, boost cognitive function, and enhance your daily vitality in ways that might surprise you. Recent medical research has unveiled fascinating discoveries about how beetroot consumption specifically benefits aging bodies. Stay with me as we explore 12 remarkable ways this humble root vegetable can elevate your health and energy levels, starting with perhaps the most impressive benefit of all. The first extraordinary advantage lies in beetroot's ability to naturally lower blood pressure through its rich nitrate content. These natural compounds convert to nitric oxide within your circulatory system, promoting healthy blood vessel dilation and improved circulation. When your blood vessels relax and widen, your heart experiences less strain while pumping blood throughout your body. Clinical studies demonstrate that consuming just 8 fluid ounces of fresh beetroot juice daily can significantly reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure readings. The beneficial effects begin appearing within 3 to 4 hours after consumption and become more pronounced with consistent daily intake. This natural approach offers seniors a complementary strategy alongside traditional hypertension management methods. Beyond blood pressure regulation, these same mechanisms provide protection against stroke risk and cardiovascular disease progression. Enhanced circulation delivers vital oxygen and nutrients to every organ system, particularly benefiting brain function and muscle performance. The second remarkable benefit involves dramatically increasing your physical endurance and natural energy reserves. Beetroot's nitrates optimize oxygen delivery to muscle tissues during physical activity, allowing for more efficient cellular energy production. This improved oxygen utilization enables your muscle fibers to perform longer and recover faster from exertion. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology showed participants experienced up to 20% improvement in exercise endurance capacity. This performance enhancement extends far beyond competitive athletes, benefiting anyone seeking to maintain an active lifestyle after 60. Whether you're gardening, walking, swimming, or engaging in recreational activities, beetroot becomes your natural energy ally. Unlike artificial stimulants that cause jitters or crashes, beetroot provides sustained energy without uncomfortable side effects. This steady vitality supports you throughout your daily activities, from morning routines to evening social engagements. If you're finding value in these evidence-based health insights for seniors, please consider supporting our mission by subscribing to our channel. Activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest discoveries in healthy aging and natural wellness solutions. Your engagement helps us continue researching and sharing the most effective strategies for vibrant senior living. Together, we're building a community dedicated to active aging and preventive health approaches that truly make a difference. The third significant advantage focuses on improving skin health and appearance through beetroot's powerful antioxidant properties. Vitamin C abundance in beetroot fights free radicals that accelerate skin aging and wrinkle formation. This antioxidant protection stimulates collagen synthesis, helping maintain skin elasticity and firmness as you age. Betalains, the natural pigments responsible for beetroot's deep color, possess remarkable anti-inflammatory properties that benefit skin health. These compounds reduce redness, calm irritation, and promote a more even skin tone naturally. The high water content in beetroot supports cellular hydration, contributing to plumper, more youthful-looking skin. Improved blood circulation delivers enhanced oxygen and nutrients to skin cells, promoting natural radiance and healing. Regular beetroot consumption can lead to visibly smoother skin texture and a healthier complexion over time. The fourth fundamental benefit involves comprehensive cardiovascular system protection and strengthening. Nitrates converted to nitric oxide improve heart muscle contractility and optimize cardiac efficiency during both rest and activity. This cardiac optimization translates to better exercise tolerance and faster recovery times after physical exertion. Flavonoids present in beetroot help regulate blood cholesterol levels by supporting healthy lipid metabolism. These plant compounds encourage beneficial HDL cholesterol production while limiting harmful LDL cholesterol accumulation. Natural potassium content helps maintain steady heart rhythm and supports overall cardiac electrical function. This electrolyte balance protects against arrhythmias and promotes stable cardiovascular performance. These synergistic mechanisms create comprehensive protection for your aging cardiovascular system. The fifth essential benefit centers on enhancing cognitive function and memory retention in seniors. Increased cerebral blood flow delivers crucial oxygen to brain cells, optimizing neuronal function and communication. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making and concentration, particularly benefits from this enhanced circulation. Gerontological studies show improved neural connectivity in seniors who consume beetroot juice regularly. This natural brain stimulation helps preserve mental sharpness and may slow age-related cognitive decline. Working memory, essential for daily tasks and problem-solving, becomes more efficient with consistent beetroot supplementation. Attention span and information processing capabilities gradually improve with regular consumption. Your brain receives the nutritional fuel necessary to maintain optimal cognitive performance throughout your golden years. The sixth therapeutic advantage involves supporting liver function and promoting natural detoxification processes. Betaine, a unique compound found in beetroot, stimulates hepatic detoxification pathways and enzyme production. This substance helps your liver break down and eliminate accumulated toxins more effectively. Reduction of fatty liver infiltration represents a major benefit for seniors concerned about metabolic health. Betalains protect liver cells from inflammation and oxidative stress that can compromise organ function. This cellular protection maintains your liver's ability to filter toxins, metabolize medications, and produce essential proteins. A healthy liver improves digestion, energy levels, and overall vitality while supporting immune function. This natural liver regeneration promotes feelings of lightness and enhanced well-being. The seventh remarkable property involves significantly reducing chronic inflammation throughout your body. Betalains act as potent natural anti-inflammatory agents, targeting persistent inflammatory processes that contribute to aging. This anti-inflammatory action helps relieve joint pain and stiffness while improving mobility and flexibility. Systemic inflammation, a contributing factor to many age-related diseases, decreases with regular beetroot consumption. Post-exercise muscle recovery accelerates, and exercise-induced soreness becomes less intense and shorter lasting. Blood markers of inflammation show measurable improvement after several weeks of consistent beetroot intake. This inflammation reduction also protects against cardiovascular disease and metabolic dysfunction. Your body regains its natural balance and self-regulatory mechanisms function more effectively. The eighth practical benefit involves supporting healthy weight management and appetite control. Beetroot's high fiber content provides lasting satiety, helping you feel satisfied longer after meals. This prolonged fullness reduces between-meal snacking and supports portion control during regular meals. The low glycemic index of beetroot prevents blood sugar spikes that often trigger intense food cravings. Dietary fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, promoting healthy metabolism and digestive balance. Stable energy from nitrates motivates continued physical activity, supporting calorie expenditure and fitness goals. This combination of satiety and sustained energy creates ideal conditions for gradual, healthy weight management. Your body composition improves naturally, without feelings of deprivation or excessive fatigue. The ninth immune-boosting advantage involves strengthening your natural defense systems against infections and illness. Vitamin C stimulates white blood cell production, enhancing your immune system's ability to fight pathogens effectively. Iron content in beetroot optimizes oxygen transport to immune cells, providing them with energy for pathogen defense. This enhanced oxygenation gives immune cells the resources needed to mount effective responses against infections. Magnesium regulates immune responses and maintains proper balance between different aspects of immune function. These essential minerals work synergistically to maintain resistance against seasonal infections and common illnesses. Liver detoxification support also strengthens immunity by eliminating substances that can weaken immune responses. Your body develops enhanced natural resistance to external threats and environmental challenges. The 10th digestive benefit focuses on improving intestinal comfort and promoting regularity. Both soluble and insoluble fiber in beetroot support healthy bowel function and prevent constipation. This natural regulation addresses a common concern among seniors while promoting comfortable digestion. Beneficial gut bacteria thrive on these prebiotic fibers, strengthening your intestinal ecosystem. A balanced microbiome improves nutrient absorption and supports local immune function in your digestive tract. Betaine stimulates bile production, facilitating fat digestion and reducing digestive discomfort after meals. Increased blood flow to digestive organs optimizes their function and coordination. Your digestive comfort improves gradually, reducing bloating and post-meal heaviness. The 11th protective property involves cancer prevention through beetroot's powerful antioxidant compounds. Betalains neutralize free radicals before they can damage cellular DNA and trigger cancerous mutations. This genetic protection significantly reduces cancer risk by maintaining healthy cellular replication processes. Anti-tumor properties of these natural pigments help inhibit abnormal cell growth and proliferation. Epidemiological studies associate regular beetroot consumption with reduced digestive cancer rates. Vitamin C and manganese strengthen this natural antioxidant protection system. Dietary fiber maintains a healthy intestinal environment that's unfavorable for tumor development. This nutritional prevention strategy represents a valuable investment in your long-term health security. The 12th and final advantage involves supporting maternal health during later life pregnancy through natural folate content. Folic acid naturally present in beetroot promotes healthy fetal neural development during pregnancy. This essential B vitamin prevents neural tube defects and supports proper brain and spinal cord formation. Iron helps combat gestational anemia by supporting red blood cell production during pregnancy. Improved circulation benefits both mother and developing baby by ensuring adequate oxygen delivery. Natural nitrates help maintain stable blood pressure throughout pregnancy. Potassium prevents muscle cramps that commonly occur during pregnancy. These essential nutrients support a healthy pregnancy and optimal fetal development. Now that you understand these exceptional benefits, let's explore how to prepare beetroot juice properly for maximum effectiveness. Select organic beetroot whenever possible to avoid pesticide residues and ensure optimal nutrient content. Wash roots thoroughly and peel if the skin appears rough or excessively earthy. Cut beetroot into smaller pieces to facilitate blending and reduce strain on your juicing equipment. Add pure water to achieve your desired consistency and improve the mixture's flow during processing. Enhance your preparation with carrots, apples, ginger, or lemon to create variety and improve taste. Strain the juice if you prefer smooth texture, or retain pulp for additional fiber benefits. Consume your juice preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal nutrient absorption. Timing significantly influences the effectiveness of your natural beetroot supplementation. Your digestive system processes nutrients more efficiently in the morning when it's relatively rested. As a pre-workout beverage, consume beetroot juice 2 to 3 hours before physical activity. Begin with smaller quantities, approximately 4 fluid ounces, to allow your system to adjust gradually. Increase portions progressively, based on your tolerance and specific health objectives. Fresh preparation ensures maximum preservation of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial compounds. This gradual approach allows you to experience full benefits while minimizing potential digestive discomfort. Despite these numerous advantages, beetroot juice requires awareness of certain usage precautions. Beaturia, temporary pink or red urine coloration, represents a harmless but potentially surprising side effect. This temporary pigmentation poses no health risks and disappears naturally within 24 to 48 hours. Individuals prone to kidney stones should moderate consumption due to beetroot's oxalate content. Consult your healthcare provider if you have kidney disease before incorporating beetroot juice into your routine. Blood pressure monitoring becomes important if you're already taking antihypertensive medications. Excessive fiber intake may cause digestive discomfort in sensitive individuals. Allergic reactions remain rare but require immediate discontinuation if skin symptoms develop. Moderation remains essential for successful and safe supplementation. One daily glass of 8 fluid ounces generally provides desired benefits while minimizing potential adverse effects. This optimal quantity allows you to enjoy advantages while reducing risks of unwanted side effects. Listen to your body's signals and adjust consumption based on your personal response and tolerance. Gradual integration into your dietary routine promotes better digestive acceptance and long-term compliance. In conclusion, beetroot juice represents a valuable ally for your cardiovascular, cognitive, and immune health as you age. Its exceptional nutritional profile makes it an ideal natural supplement for supporting active aging and vitality. Careful preparation and moderate consumption ensure effective and safe supplementation for long-term health benefits. Share your experience with this remarkable superfood in the comments below, as we'd love to hear about your results. If this information has proven valuable, please support our work by sharing this content with friends and family who might benefit. Subscribe to our channel to discover more nutrition secrets specifically designed for senior health and wellness. Thank you for your attention and trust in our evidence-based approach to healthy aging. We look forward to bringing you more nutritional discoveries that can transform your golden years.